Happy Friday, everybody. Well, yes, war headlines, oil headlines up and down are continuing to drive the interest rate market. We're going to take a small break from war-related and oil-related news to talk about what's driving rates in the long run and the mustache. So let's get the mustache out of the way. It's pretty bad. I recognize that, but it's because I'm doing a gravel race this month, and I feel like I might ride my bike faster if I have a mustache. That's really the only reason why, and kind of bugs my wife, and I think that's funny. But let's talk about jobs, because at the end of the day, the labor market is really what is going to be driving mortgage interest rates. And today, a big report comes out. Non-farm payrolls, nearly double the amount of jobs were created and brought into the economy, but yet the unemployment rate stays flat. So what's that all about? Well, the reality is the labor force is shrinking. We have a lot of baby boomers who are going into retirement, and as immigration slows down, the labor force is actually shrinking. So we can add jobs and have unemployment remain the same. So normally, if we saw, well, I say normally, maybe flashback a couple years ago, if we saw job creations be double what the market expected, we would see a really bad day for mortgage rates. But yet today, they're actually improving. And the reason why is because job creation is less and less what's driving the bond market, and it's more and more about the unemployment rate. And so with unemployment rate staying flat, and with some little bit of headlines that are positive, war and oil related, we're seeing mortgage rates tick down just a little bit this week, but through an important barrier below that 6.5. See, if you look back at the last couple of years, interest rates below 6.5% were a major catalyst for a healthier housing market. So to go from 6.6 last week to 6.4 this week, that is a very good thing for the spring and summer housing market. If you have any questions about interest rates, financing a home, or my mustache, reach out and have an awesome weekend.